Hello guys, welcome to the final game of Forza Deccan Mega Futsal League. This game will be played between one team which already made its way into the finals, Gold Diggers, and the other one who scraped their way early morning with that comeback game, Gladiators against Vikings. Going into the second round of penalty shootout in terms of death match, sudden death. It was just about to be anybody's game. But there was this powerful edging that Gladiators were able to pull off. They seemingly had Avinash. Avinash made the difference in the sudden death and in the goalkeeping ability for the penalty shootout. That's the reason why they are playing this finals. So anyway, it's going to be Gladiators in the red versus Gold Diggers in the black. One of those teams is going to take the big trophy of Forza Deccan Mega Futsal League. I'd also like to honor Mr. Joshua Vaz, who is the Indian futsal's coach for men and women. His father and his son accompanied. That is going to be the man of honor and the chief guest. We will be seeing the start of this game shortly. I also welcome all the other players and guests who will be joining us. The prize distribution ceremony and all of those things will be covered right after this game. But yeah, it's a great weekend to start off to. Saturday evening, futsal. And both the teams are quite evenly matched on the technical and physical ability. I must say honestly, Gold Diggers, they're a more technical side. And Gladiators, they are a much physical side, more emotional, more physical, as well as more hungry for the win. Whereas Gold Diggers, that team seems to be just stoic and more technically focused. They're less reactive to happiness or sadness in comparison to Gladiators. They seem to be the ones that don't falter easily. But we'll see the start of the game. It's been some time since the start was expected. There's the team discussion still going on. So that is the preface of the game. I think the game will begin within 1 minute. Also, the way into this tournament, it has been pretty difficult for the entire side of Gladiators and Vikings if you compare them against Gold Diggers, who were much comfortable and easy approaching into the tournament. I'm not saying their path was not easy. I'm just saying that they were careful with the conservation of their energy, with their stamina, and with their tempo. So it seemed like Gold Diggers overall had a better game plan and they even executed it better than everybody else. But honestly, I have no idea who is going to take this game, who is going to take this final. Start of the game is going to be underway. Sunny but breezy evening at Forza Football Pune. We are about to have the kickoff for the final game. Red versus black. It begins. Avinash tries a shot. It's off target, but that was not a bad attempt. It's a predictable play style start for Gladiators. That's a team that usually likes to attempt a shot. They use Avinash as the man doing so. Abhirav. This ball was inaccurately given. Nishant Kare. Nice ball. Baride. And Baride grows down on the ground. Loss of balance. Vedant Bukke. Arth. Clean pass. Avinash. That's a good tackle by Nishant Kare. He delayed his right arm and there is Shreesh through the legs. This is a great goal. 1-0. The pass from Nishant Kare was a piece, but then Shreesh on these finishes just has been a different man. A high value player. Struck early on. Arth. Enough pressure applied top. Nishant Kare, and he wins the ball in fact. At least the challenge. Vedant Bukke concedes a foul. Free kick opportunity for Gladiators. Arth. Nihal. That's not very well struck from the laces. It's hit much farther on the foot. So not enough power. And of course the lack of accuracy. Arth. This is Nishant Kare still gliding forward. Arth gets the foot right in front of the ball before the cross can be put in. Just in nick of time. That's a very good no-look pass. But the no-look, that skill, it caught his teammates with a surprise. Arth on the line. And the flick through the gap. It's Arya. Shrish with a chance. Nihal denies it. Got a touch out of his waist. Abhirav. Nihal. And that is going to be a foul. Straight up caught in the eyes of the referee from both the angles. Avinash. The turn is good. But there isn't any room to cross the ball in. Vedant Bukke barely gives him any space. Corner kick. And it should be from this side. Avinash Tripathi. Not very well struck by Abhinav, but he has another opportunity. Vedant Bukke just standing still, pokes the ball away. Not very flustered, is he? Man of less expression and more action. Avinash. Vedant Bukke not get the ball away from the opponent, but then he manages to reposition himself into a blocking spot. It's well done, Gold Diggers. They got the defense produced. Long range throw by Arya. Nishant Kare. That is going to be a foul. Arth. The jab. And quickly taken. Vedant Bukke. Foresight. That is struck by Shrish but blocked by Abhirav. Important block. Avinash, his cross is blocked by Vedant Bukke. He stands as an obstacle for that lone man. Nihal tries. It ends up being a cross block. Arya. Very good save. The tackle is on ball. Avinash. Shrish. Chased by Arth. And that is going out. But the save from Arya. Ball is out of bounds. Arya will see many more of those today evening, isn't he? And Avinash, chance to shoot. Oh, he took his chance to chop, but then he didn't complete the chop. And Baride, he moved to the left. That is where the ball moved to. Things working out for Baride up there. Lashes the ball out. Avinash. Very well done by Arya. Corner kick. Arth. It's off target. The shooting can definitely need some rework for Gladiators. Samip. Nishant Kare. Samip. Samip took his time and the time was too much. Nishant Kare. He's very evasive and elusive, isn't he? And Nishant Kare tries a ball. Sameep squared back. Nishant Kare turns to the left, through the gap, and that is Vedant Bukke just missing the ball. Gladiators, they definitely don't lack firepower. It's more of a team that, draws attention up top and then tries to shoot. That's an excellent ball by Anish. A risky one perhaps, but still a good one. Atharva Barire. Sameep out of reach. Nihal. Vedant Bukke. The foul is not given. Sameep. There was a very slight contact, but at a high speed. I'm not sure if there was any contact seen. That is well done. Shreyas is prevented from shooting. Baride, good job. Nishant Kare. Sameep. Vedant Bukke returns the ball. Sameep. Shreyas. Nice ball. A safe ball to the back. Avinash with a better ball control. And he tries a pass. This is Baride getting the block off. Shreyas was ready to finish it. But Baride, he intervenes. Doesn't let the ball go through behind. Nihal. Anish almost on the verge of the charge by Sameep. And Sameep loves to charge forward. Avinash. Blocked by Baride. Just a single goal in this fixture so far. And I would love to see some goal action. But then the way this goal is attempted or created by both the teams, that is what makes futsal so enjoyable to watch. Even if there is no goal, this is attacking football being played by both the teams. Vedant Bukke on the line. Sameep. Nishant Kare trying to time it. Doesn't get the ball hooked towards Vedant Bukke. Vedant Bukke delivers a tackle though. Vedant Bukke. Sameep. That is a tackle by Arth. In time. Avinash. Avinash tried to go for the Pele trick. The ball was poked so far away. Baride. And Nishant Kare, he is open. Nishant Kare, the gap was open but not in front of the goal post. Unfortunate. I mean, the chop worked, but then the space was not against where he wanted to shoot the ball. Just awkwardly struck. Vedant Bukke. And there's the another one from behind. There was a foul prior to this, similar. Yellow card will be shown to Avinash Tripathi. He has been the man with the highest number of yellow cards accumulated. Vedant Bouquet tries, it's on target. The ball was dipping. Samip, somehow, not anymore. Baride. And this is Arth getting the ball blocked and cleared in the same touch. Nishant Kare. No room for creativity against Nishant, Anish says. Nihal. And how is he free to take this shot? There was nobody chasing Nihal down. There was nobody applying pressure up top either. Atharva Baride. Rotated towards Daksh. Daksh has the pass coming towards him. Daksh, he's flying wide. Anish. Nice ball attempted, but Vedant Bouquet has a touch. Avinash Tripathi. A great tackle. Vedant Bouquet. Clearance. Anish. And that is blocked by Daksh. Anish, did it take so much time that Daksh was able to react? Still just one goal. And Anish, his touch was not good enough. He isn't very confident in himself, is he? Anish. Shrish has the final touch. Avinash. Oh, and that is just going out. Avinash. There was barely anybody who approached. There was nobody trying to tackle either. Just stood in front of him. And the visual effect perhaps was enough. Baride. Great ball. Daksh. Where is the ball? It's behind him. And the opportunity to clear was available for Arth. He does so.
1, 2.
Looks clean from Arth. Oh, nicely done, Daksh. I mean, he's getting things done. Bicycle kick attempted. Shrish. Nihal. Shreyas. And the ball is poked away by Vedant Bouquet just in time. Arth. That was a good shot. Daksh gets a block. And this attempt was good from Avinash, but I think it was just too up close and a tight angle. Blocked by Daksh. And not on target. Arth. The ball goes out of bounds. So there is the 1 minute timeout taken by Gold Diggers. They have the lead. 1 minute, 1 goal. And perhaps they will try to find another opportunity. Daksh, he did not hit it on target. 1-0 for now in this final. So end of the timeout. Shrish. And Shrish, is that an unnecessary move? Ball won by Shreyas. Chance to get it inside. It's on target, but saved by Arya. Arya, he fall down to the right side, but he had his left foot covering the near post. I really thought Shreyas would fire it in and get that equalizer. It just didn't happen. And there was the touch. Arya almost getting this goal produced for Avinash. Marginally goes off the side post from the second pole. And these corner kicks from Gladiators in this tournament have been the most dangerous attacking venture. Here's another one blocked by Baride. Shrish. That was very predictable. Shrish had to add an element of unpredictability. Baride gets the block. When you get those counter-attacks, you should not be so obvious. That is well done by Shreyas. Even moves to the left, but there's nobody on the right. Nihal. Abhirav. Avinash in the D box. It's blocked. Baride. No room to swing it in. Corner kick. Avinash. What is that man thinking? He sets it up for Nihal. Nihal evades one player. And this is a goal. Nihal Ujre. He is the only goalkeeper to score goals like this. Sure, there has been Vedant Bhosle, but he's a field player. Nihal Ujre in this tournament has just been different. And he has scored in both the playoff games. He's the one who initiated the comeback early morning today against Vikings. And now he found the equalizer. Here's an opportunity, Abhirav. Avinash. He is his own enemy, isn't he? I'm sure Arya must be thinking, I could have saved it. Those might be his exact thoughts. Daksh, the ball is just left through, but that is a great tackle by Daksh. And Daksh, where has he shot? Man, I think Daksh, when I watch him, I feel he needs to start using his left foot. Great block by Daksh. Avinash, the attempt can be problematic. Vedant Bukke. And that is Arya just getting the ball grazed into his foot, then collects it. Arth. Avinash tries to get a touch. He only wanted to graze the ball. It didn't happen. Nihal Ujre, the man with the difference made. Shreyas. Slashed and burned towards the right side. But the dribble works out. Nishant Kare gets his left foot to work. He was about to get past two players. Nishant Kare denying him of that glorious dribble. Baride. Nishant Kare. Baride forced to clear. We are approaching the end of the first half very soon. But 1-1. This game just might be on for penalty shootout action, similar to what we saw between Vikings and Gladiators. Nihal. Chance to take a touch forward. Baride. Nishant Kare. That's not very well given by Nishant Kare. Absolutely not in the reach of Sameep. Up in the air and cleared. Nihal. Vedant Bukke gets it out. Sameep. Sameep. And yes! This is Sameep and Vedant Bukke getting it done. Just Sameep in speed. The S in Sameep's name stands for speed. Two-one. Not very well struck on the restart. Arya. Sameep. Nihal. Blocked by Baride. The continuation of blocks from Baride. Nishant Kare blocks. Another one. Maybe Avinash should play it behind. He does so. Arth. Nihal. It's off target. But that is the same spot from where the semi-final was attained. What is the discussion going on? I would love to know and be the one clarifying it to our audience. Just what exactly is going on the field? Avinash Tripathi might need more than ice. He is perhaps going to get a second yellow card if he over-argues. This is getting very dramatic and interesting. Forza Deccan Mega Futsal League is incomplete without this, isn't it? Consultation for the decision from Mr. Joshua Vaz. Being an Indian futsal team coach of men and women both, he has the entire idea of the rules and regulations of futsal. I'm interested to know what is going to be the decision. This first half, it just not might end. Maybe there will be some futsal played in the next 5 minutes. I say this sarcastically, but I know there will be a ball being played here and there. Play shall finally be underway. Nishant Kare, Sameep, tackled by Arth. Ball poked behind by Vedant Bouquet and cleared by Baride. Anish. Arth. Lack of power on the ball, which could have been capitalized. Sameep. Arth, nicely given, saved by Arya. The rebound is inside. Avinash Tripathi, he does it. It's Shreyas and Avinash. Rescuing the game, getting the equalizer. This is incomplete without Shreyas. Shreyas and Avinash, they delivered the tactics and the action for the equalizer. It's complete. Away and out. Anish, there's the touch. Shreyas. And through the legs of Shreyas, Sameep. That is so well done by Shreyas. And even Nihal manages to keep the ball in play. Avinash. Arth. That is not very well given. And Nihal doesn't want to take the risk. These are basic mistakes by Arth. I think the pressure is falling upon him. And these are the results visible of it. Sameep. Nishant Kare. No delivery this time on the inside. Baride. Sameep. And Sameep tries. It's not on target though. He did get the ball away. But that's all there was. Not on target, which means nothing useful. 1 minute timeout taken by the side of Gladiators. We'll be back after a 1 minute break. For now, it's 2-all. End of the 1 minute timeout. Nihal. Anish, where is his attention? Nihal has to call him out twice. Vedant Bouquet to Sameep. Baride. Sameep, he took too much time to get the ball out. A nice try by Avinash. Nishant Kare. Sameep. Bouquet tries to get the ball on the inside, but he couldn't get the ball past Shreyas. Sameep. Now this is evasion of the yellow card, is the appeal by Gold Diggers against Avinash. Shreyas, what happened? Is he hurt? He's an important man. He can supply, he can score. And if he is out of this game due to an injury, then that means second half it has to be much more workforce applied by Gladiators. 2-all. And this first half, it's a never-ending one. So that is going to be Shreya substituting out. Abhirav back on field. Nihal. Samip. Nishant Kare. That's not very close for Samip to control. But then he gets a tackle out. And Vedant Bukke tries to challenge further. Nishant Kare. Tight angle. Nishant Kare. Avinash. That is a very good save. Arya, the man with the moment. Going to be a corner kick. But if not for Arya, this one was surely about to be very celebrationary moment. Vedant Bukke. Still Vedant Bukke trying. The final touch of Vedant. Man, this save from Arya. Crucial. And it's an action-packed save. Very spectacular. Arya. Ball for Shrish. And that is the end of first half. I thought this first half would never end, but it ends up being 2-all. Which team will take the crown? Which team will be the one to deliver the blows of defeat? We'll find out in the second half.